friends, did you have fun adding last week? We tried it out with little squares, with 2 plates. I would like us to do some more adding this week. This week I am going to send you some worksheets, some adding worksheets, a whole bunch of them. And I need mom or dad to print them out for you. And then you're going to work on these worksheets, but not all of them all at once, it's too many. I'd like you to do just 1 or 2 of these sheets each day. So you could do 2 pages the first day, and then 2 pages the next day, and so on, until finally all of them will be done. And before you go and get to work on those worksheets, let's do some adding together. So your adding this week will look a little bit like this. Here's the word adding up at the top, and I've written the numbers 1 to 10, just for you to look at in case you forget what a number looks like. Could you read those numbers with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they're all up there. If you forget what a number looks like, look up there to help you out. Okay, and then we have some adding to do. And I've drawn pictures of little eggs that are hatching this week to help us. So instead of little squares or Cheerios or Lego, you're going to look at the pictures of the eggs to help you with your adding. So I've drawn a picture of an egg here, and because there's 1 egg, I also put a number 1. And then over here I have a picture of 1 egg, and I have another number 1, right? And it says 1 plus 1 equals blank. Do you remember that from last week, right? 1 egg plus 1 more egg equals how many eggs altogether? How many altogether there? There are 2, right? 1, 2. So you need to write that number 2. And again, if you forget, look up there. Oh yeah, that's what a number 2 looks like. There. Can you read that number sentence with me? 1 plus 1 equals 2. Great adding. Let's do another one. So I have a picture of 2 eggs and I wrote a number 2. And I have a picture of 1 egg and I wrote a number 1. And it says 2 plus 1 equals blank. 2 eggs plus 1 more egg equals how many eggs altogether? Can you count how many there are there altogether? Did you say 3? Let me check. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 eggs altogether, so I'll put a 3 here. And again, I can't remember what a 3 looks like. Let me look up there. Oh yeah, it's got those 2 bumps. A bump and a bump. 3. Could you please help me read that number sentence? 2 plus 1 equals 3. We are doing great with our adding. Let's do another one. Okay, this time there are 3 eggs. That's why there's a number 3. And then there is a 1 egg. That's why there's a number 1. And it says 3 eggs plus 1 more egg equals how many eggs? Can you figure out what number goes there? Did you say 100? That's wrong. Try again. No, you didn't say 100. I bet you said 4. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 eggs all together. So I'm going to write a number 4. There we go. Please help me read that number sentence. 3 plus 1 equals 4. We are doing so well with our adding. So those worksheets, several of those worksheets look like that. Then, because I know you're going to get so good at adding, I made a few worksheets that look a little different. They look like this. They're even more exciting and more fun to do. Again, we have that number line up at the top, so you can look there if you need it. And again, I drew the pictures of the eggs, but I didn't write any numbers on there. It's your job to fill in all the missing numbers. Are you ready to try? How many eggs do you see there? Did you say 2? Then I need to put a 2 over here. Okay, how many eggs are over here? 2 again, so I'll write a 2 over here. Okay, so it says 2 plus 2 equals, how many does that equal? How many eggs altogether? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 eggs all together. I'm going to write that 4. And then can you please help me read that whole number sentence? 2 plus 2 equals 4. Great job. Let's do one more like that. All right, so how many egg pictures do you see there? I see 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put a 3 here. Okay. And how many egg pictures do you see here? Do you see 2? I see 2. So I'm going to put a number 2. All right. So it says 3 plus 2 equals blank. This is the hardest one we've done. Can you figure it out? How many eggs are there altogether? Did you say 5? Let's check if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is correct. Let me look up here. Oh yeah, 5 looks like this. Here we go, across, down, and around. Please help me read that number sentence. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Adding is a lot of fun. I know you're excited to be doing it. Remember to watch this video lesson anytime you need to, and then go ahead and do your worksheets this week. Have fun adding.